Hello all, I'm Dr. Divisha, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. These are very critical times to us and I hope all of you are safe at home. One of my professors always said a line, all great changes are preceded by chaos. Like the chaotic life that we are in right now, we did achieve something great, that is vaccine. Though many of you are getting vaccinated right now, most of my friends as well are apprehensive about vaccination. They have many questions about vaccination. So today I would like to speak regarding vaccination, especially in women and pregnancy. First doubt would be vaccination in children and teenage girls. As of now, we do not have an approved vaccine for the same and we are yet to wait for it. I hope we get a vaccine ready soon and we can vaccinate our children. Second question would be vaccination in prenatal period. Prenatal period is a period during which a family wants to conceive for a pregnancy. During this time, vaccination is absolutely safe. It does not interfere with your fertility of either men or women and you can go ahead with vaccination. Third question is vaccination during menstruation. There has been a myth going on around in the social media regarding vaccination during menstruation and that it has not been approved. But as such, there is no such guideline in either Covaxin or Covishield that you shouldn't get vaccinated during menstruation. So even if you are having your cycles, you can go ahead and get vaccinated. Next and the most important question right now is vaccination during pregnancy. Many of the OBGYNs right now face this question and there is no perfect answer to it. Right now we do have two vaccines with us. One is a Covaxin and other is a Covishield. Both these vaccines are not live vaccines. Why are people apprehensive to get vaccinated in pregnancy is because the live vaccines that are given is actually contraindicated. But the two vaccines for COVID-19 we have are not live vaccines. One is a killed vaccine and the other is a vector-mediated vaccine. So it does not interfere with human DNA and is safe in pregnancy. But as such, there are only few animal studies which approve vaccination in pregnancy and we are yet to wait for human studies. Besides this whole point of view, there is another group of population which need vaccination right now. Those are our frontline workers. Either it can be our healthcare workers, our sanitation workers or our policewomen who work in the field of COVID-19. Although the rate of infectivity in a pregnant woman to COVID-19 is relatively low, COVID-19 related illnesses are higher in a pregnant woman compared to a non-pregnant woman. So there has to be a positive discussion between her OBGYN and the family regarding the vaccination. There has to be a discussion regarding the risk-benefit ratio of the same. So these people can get vaccinated for COVID-19. Although in India, as of now, our government hasn't approved the vaccination. And once they approve, we need to go through few important points regarding this vaccine. First thing is, you should try and avoid getting vaccinated in your first trimester, that is, first 3 months of the pregnancy. Second, you need to get 2 doses of the same vaccine, preferably 4 to 6 weeks apart. Third point is, try and avoid to get vaccinated of other things like TT and influenza 14 days prior and later to this vaccine. Fourth important thing, you might experience some side effects like body aches, sore throat and fever and you can take paracetamol which is safe in pregnancy. Next important question that all of you face is vaccination during breastfeeding or lactation. As of now, all the gynecological societies of India and worldwide have approved vaccination in lactation. So you can safely go ahead and get vaccinated during lactation. During breastfeeding, you need not get afraid that the infection might go to the baby. On the contrary, the antibodies that you produce will be transferred to your baby and might provide some kind of protection to the baby as well. And one more question, during the vaccination of lactation, there is no reduction of breast milk. It doesn't affect the production of breast milk, so it is safe to take during lactation. Last important question and common question that we all do get is, what if you get conceived after getting vaccinated? As of now, vaccination is safe anytime during prenatal period. So, you need not get termination of pregnancy if you get pregnant after getting vaccinated. Similarly, you need not get a urine pregnancy test before going to get vaccinated. Thank you, and I hope I answered at least few of your questions. Stay home, stay safe.